Hi there, my name is Irada and welcome back to my cooking channel. Today I'm making this healthy cheesy broccoli side dish. We only need 3 ingredients. Let's get started. First thing I do is cutting 2 medium size of onion. I'm gonna fry just a little until they will get more golden. Boil some salted water in a pot and add the broccoli. Get it to the boil and then boil just for 1 minute, not less and not more. Drain the broccoli and put it in a baking dish or a baking pot. Put the goldish onion on top and grate some cheese. Make sure the cheese you're using is gonna melt. You can choose any cheese that you want or prefer, like Parmesan or cheddar cheese. Would work very well, I think. Sprinkle some sumac spice and sesame seeds. And we're almost done. Bake it 8 to 10 minutes on 150 degrees. Very quick, delicious and healthy side dish variation for you. I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to see more delicious recipes like this. Thank you guys so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.